So welcome to all our viewers and welcome to our expert guest from Infinity Galaxy, Mr. 𝗂𝐻𝐻𝐵 Yousufi and Ms. Rajia Gilani. Madam, welcome to our show. Sir, welcome to our show.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And I hope the week has been going very interesting and we look forward to some interesting insights from your side to decode what is happening in the market. So, sir,
Sure.
with that, we begin with our first question, and this is to Ms. Rajia. Bitumen prices have been moving steadily up this month, even though the demand is subdued. Do you think this is sustainable?
Well, Mr. Pranav, I believe it is quite normal to see a reduction in demand at this time of the year. Normally, we see the same situation till September. But this year, it has coincided with the fall in crude oil prices during the last 2 months, and it has affected too. But since last week, we are facing some upward changes in the crude oil prices. We see that Bahrain has increased its prices $20. European prices have increased to Singapore and South Korea had the same stable prices. In Iran, and after the announcement of 10% increase in base price of vacuum bottom and the relative stability of USD against Iran Rial, as well as the competition over 70% among the refineries, we have seen a significant surge in bitumen prices of Iran comparing to the last week, which was around up to $70. Besides, we have heard that after 4 frequent drops in India bitumen prices and its stability on 15 July, we are expecting a serious increase in on 1st August, as far as I have heard from different sources. I believe that there were potential demands in the market, but due to the weak trend of prices, the buyers were not willing to reveal their actual demands. So now we can say by the improvement in oil prices and the technical conditions in the market, this current trend of being upward can continue unless some unexpected factor changes this situation.
So possibly what you're suggesting is this stalemate in the buyer decision and combined with the continued increase in prices, this could possibly help move the buyers to the deal-making table quicker.
Yes.
That would be very positive news for the industry. So we all look forward to it. Thank you. Now,
Welcome.
Mr. Ahmed, we come back to you now in terms of the broader crude oil market, where we see that the crude prices have started moving up. Now, the market believes that this is due to the production cuts and also the expected China demand. How do you view this?
Well, Mr. Pranav, yes, there is a part of a bullish sentiment which is happening through the market. Production cuts have not changed, but it seems that the market believes in the supply restrictions. Bullish sentiment is getting stronger by this belief in supply cuts and a new vision in demand. Although demand is not as strong as expected, it's surely higher than the pandemic time. Moreover, the monsoon season is nearly over, and this means which means more demand can be expected to come in these weeks. Crude oil is still in a sideways channel, but it's moving stronger than before. Yet we should be cautious about its movement at the 86 level. We think that maybe the technical of the market shows that Brent crude oil will be between 80 up to 86, and we have a side channel in the crude oil that we can see.
Thank you. So the crude oil is expected to be in this range, which we are saying up to about 86. And the market demands coming back up, and with major part of the monsoon behind us. So maybe the demand side also would start looking up. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you.
sharing
Thank you,
insights.
Mr. Pranav.
Yeah,
Thank you
it's
for
been a pleasure as always. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.